A little over a year.
This year's 11 years.
30 years.
37 years.
Next week will be my 5th anniversary.
Horace. Fred. Fred.
Jacob.
At our location, I think it's Mr. Bobby.
Who's the funniest person in all of ADAMA?
Besides me, you mean?
So what is ADAMA Georgia 2020? Well, this is a project we'll be working on over the coming years to accelerate the pace of change in Georgia operations. And it's important for several reasons. One is that there's challenges in the plants that we need to overcome. And we also need to prepare to scale the business in the future. We can't do either one of those things, doing things the way we've always done them. And then the second is that we need to increase service levels to our customers and the profitability of the business to be successful. And finally, and most importantly, we want to invest in our employees so that we have an engaged workforce that's excited about going on this journey with us.
All of us, we try to work together as a team.
Really, the benefits.
Be able to take care of my family.
Getting materials here on time.
Probably give more raises.
Work area in my department, the equipment.
Having listened and discussed with our ADAMA Georgia employees, we identified 4 main levers that will drive the project forward over the coming years. The people investment lever, the most important one, because at the end of the day, none of these other things move forward without getting this one right.
I think one of our biggest areas is development, and it's not development of just the people in our production area and our packaging area, but it's also the development of some of our managers and our leaders. Again, the focus needs to be that we all get on the same page so that we're all headed in the right direction.
The process and documentation lever is an example of something we'll do a little bit different than we have in the past. This is the glue that allows us to maintain the improvements that we're driving into the business right now.
Train our people to higher levels more quickly allows us to know what we need to do in every circumstance and not have to wonder and second guess or waste time trying to figure out something, but give everybody the confidence that they need to know what is right to do, when it's right to do it, and how to go about it.
The equipment performance lever is the one that people get excited about pretty quick because it's about investing in new equipment, but it's also about getting the most of what we currently have.
I want to identify the areas where we actually have to have equipment and get it, but we also have to work better with what we have. Identify weak areas and address them. I want to get everybody's input on it, and I want us to have the same vision for the project and understand that once we're all on the same page, that's what we're going to achieve.
Inventory management is something we heard a lot about when speaking to our employees. This lever is about having accurate and timely inventory to support production.
System that would be one that we all can share, and we could look up over here in Vernon, or we could look over in Tifton, and we all have one system. So I'll make everybody's life much easier to do a receipt or to ship it.
All of these efforts over the coming years will allow ADAMA Georgia to serve our existing customers in future growth by delivering on time, in full, and most importantly, safely.
I know that ADAMA Georgia will be totally different in a short future.
It's a good time right now, I think, to be part of the ADAMA team. I'm looking forward to a good future with you guys.